Yep. All right. Ready? And go! Semi only try. Oh shit.
Hey Max.
Oh. Someone's in that. Go aim for that hole. Can't really go anywhere from here.
Oh, gun hit. I don't think we.
There's someone in that middle bunker.
Ow, fuck. Stick in the ass.
Someone right to the right.
Yeah.
Oh, moving up on the left.
Oh.
Sorry.
We don't have to if we don't want to.
Strategic play. He's right on this left side.
Right in front of us?
Yeah, right there. Right there.
I don't want to hit you in the face.
Where's that guy?
He's like right in front of us, like so really close. If you hit him, he'll bleed.
Watch out. He's kind of like popping his head out.
Yeah.
First blood.
Yeah, we see ya. Who's left?
Right there.
We will accept your surrender. Is he on in the bunker with the face?
No, he's right in front of the metal thing.
Oh, I see him. Okay. Woo! This field's actually pretty cool. I approve.
Back to your spawn, Max, you cheater.
Ah!
I saw that go right over there.
Ready? Go! Oh, that was close to my head. My BBs are going way up. I'm gonna run underneath you off the back of my head.
Got one.
Oh. Got two. Where is he? Oh, I see. Yeah. Charge!
No.
It's always you left.
Last man.
Other side, you're out. Watch out, they're gonna come from this side. You head over there and try and head them off. Or watch our flank.
I got a perfect view right here.
Okay. I just got one there. Yeah.
You went that way.
Yeah. How many of you are left? We got two, that means there's two left. Or no. Oh shit.